If Walmart Curbside doesn't detect your arrival, the problem is usually your phone's location permissions, disabled background location access, or a weak GPS signal near the pickup area. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get the app recognizing your arrival again, and what to do if automatic check-in still doesn't work. Start by checking your phone's location settings. The Walmart app needs permission to access your location while you're using it, and on some devices it also needs background location access to detect when you've reached the pickup area. Open your phone's settings, find the Walmart app, and confirm location services are enabled. Next, make sure location services are turned on for the entire phone. Even if the Walmart app has permission, it can't detect your arrival if GPS is disabled. If you're using battery-saving mode, temporarily turn it off because it can limit location accuracy and background activity. Now update the Walmart app to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then close the app completely, reopen it, and load your pickup order before you arrive at the store. If the app was left running for hours, refreshing it can restore location tracking. When you enter the pickup area, park in one of the designated curbside pickup spaces. GPS can sometimes struggle to identify your exact position if you're parked too far away, inside a parking garage, or near large buildings that interfere with the signal. If automatic arrival detection still doesn't work, don't wait in your car expecting it to update. Open your order and look for the manual check-in or arrival option. Most Walmart pickup orders allow you to notify the store manually even if GPS detection fails. Another thing to check is your internet connection. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can interrupt communication with Walmart's servers. If the app seems frozen, try turning airplane mode on for a few seconds, turn it back off, and reopen the order. If you've recently changed phones or restored your device, uninstall and reinstall the Walmart app. That refreshes permissions and clears temporary files that can interfere with arrival detection. If manual check-in also fails, call the pickup phone number listed in your order confirmation or on the pickup signs. Give the associate your name and parking space number so they can bring out your order without waiting for the app. The fastest fixes are to enable location permissions, refresh the Walmart app, park in a designated pickup space, and use the manual check-in option if GPS doesn't work. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials.